What's the word, y'all? Welcome?
What?
Let me calm down. So, as you probably read by the title, today I'm going to be turning in. I'm gonna just start that whole thing over. Probably read by the title, today I'm going to be turning some pants that I kind of hate into a skirt that I don't hate. I actually really like it. I think it's really cute. If you're like me, you go to a store and you don't pick out outfits, which is don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be like me. You go and you just get clothes. Like, okay, I like these pants, so I get them. I like this shirt, so I get them. But like, the pants are some ugly green skittle green apple pants, and the shirt is like a shirt like you can't wear them together. Basically, you look a mess. Okay. Not you. I look a mess, and I don't know why I do that. So in order to kind of combat that, I'm gonna change those pants into a cute skirt. But like, looking at the price tag, I really hope that those pants was on sale, because if they weren't, I'm gonna be real mad. Forever 21 was good.
What's good? Hey!
Should not be charging people that much for those ugly ass parachute pants, and I shouldn't have never bought them. Like, what would possess me? What was the reason?
What was the reason? What was the reason?
And before we get into all of that, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Subscribing is good for your health. I promise. I don't promise. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me on that, but do subscribe. You know what I'm saying. You know what I mean. So anyway, enough with other chit chat. Let's get it. Run a clip. I'm talking to myself. Play the video, girl. Right now I'm just showing you what you're going to need, which is scissors, sewing pins, elastic, a template or model skirt, and the pants. Before you do anything, you want to make sure that the pants that you're using are turned inside out. You always want to work on your clothing inside out. Then I'm going to place my model skirt on top of the pair of pants, just so I can get a feel for how long I want the pants to be, or where I want to cut the pants. Then I'm going to take my measure, and I'm just going to measure about 1.5 inches below where the skirt ends, and you'll see later that's going to be my seam for my hem of the skirt. So now that I got the measurement, I'm just going to start cutting. And y'all, those scissors are so bogus. Now I'm going to flip the one cut pants leg onto the other pant leg, just so I can have an even cut. It's easier to do it that way, to make sure everything is nice and even. Now you can throw those ends of the legs to the side, and you should have something that looks similar to a pair of basketball shorts. So now you want to take your scissors and cut through the middle. I switched to a seam splitter just because the material, you needed a seam splitter for that type of material, but scissors work fine. And you just want to split the middle of the shorts open until it's like a big hole. I don't know. You'll see. You want to stretch your skirt in the opposite way, making sure that the front of the skirt and the back of the skirt are not touching. When you place the skirt, you're going to see the extra fabric on the front and what would be the back of your skirt, and you want to start to pin both sides all the way down. Be sure that the ends of your skirt line up nicely. Start to pin where the skirt would curve. At this point, you can flip the skirt back out just to make sure everything looks okay, and you can try it on as well, but just be careful because there are pins in the skirt. You definitely do not have to use a sewing machine, it's optional, but I decided to just because why not? Like, you could hot glue it or you can even hand sew it, but just make sure you get them together. If you want an in-depth video about how I use my sewing machine and how to actually sew, make sure you say that's what you want down below. But yeah, make sure if you're going to sew to take the pins out as you're sewing. This is how it looks fresh off the machine. Now I'm just deciding where I want to hem it, and I'm going to take some pins and put a pin on each side of the skirt. Be sure to cut off the extra fabric from the front part and the back part of the skirt from when we pinned it at the beginning. To make sure everything is even before I start to pin where I want to hem the skirt, I'm just going to measure it out about 14.5 inches, and then I'm going to pin all the way around the skirt. Make sure you don't pin the skirt like to each other. Like when you pin it, make sure you can still open the skirt. Now you could definitely use a glue gun for this part, but I just wanted to make a nice clean hem, and I'm going to just sew it exactly how I did when I sewed the front and the back, taking out the pins as I go. Once you're done hemming, you just want to cut off all of that extra fabric. You don't really need it. Make sure you don't cut too close to the stitches, and then you should be good. This is what it should be looking like. This is a skirt. I wanted to show you guys the skirt in action just one last time. I cannot dance at all. Okay, so I had to come back and close out the video because it just didn't feel right trying to close it out in a voiceover, you know. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed the voiceovers. Let me know if you want to see more videos like that, you know, sewing videos, DIY videos. Just let me know. Comment down below. I'm filming this at 2 a.m. So let me know what time it is that you're watching it. You know, comment your favorite color. Comment how much you hate that Skittle green color. Because I know I do. That color was just not it. First, it's the end of the video, right? If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you just might as well subscribe. Like you done hung out with me for you hung out with me for why can't I say this? You hung out with me for however long this video is, and you still ain't subscribed. If you did subscribe, I rock with you. You my dog. But if you didn't subscribe, what was the reason?
I don't need to explain myself to you.
Subscribe. I'll wait. Alright, cool. We good now. We good. We bro. Anyway, I really do hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and subscribe. It's good for you. Until next time, be nice to people. Bye. I forgot to say it. Follow me on social media in the description.